Hi everyone, hope you all are in great health. This is your Vivek here from Dreamers Life. This particular channel which I started long back, I would say a year ago, was with an intent to make sure the customers who have purchased properties in Hyderabad get regular updates regarding the construction. However, for the last 6 months I could not do that because we had recently launched a new project in Rajind Nagar by the name Prestige City, and that is a project which consists of 406,000 apartments and approximately 120 villas, and that has gone up really nicely. We sold like close to 1,600 apartments already in a span of 40 days, last 40 days. So we were kind of busy with that. I would be covering that project also very soon. But the reason I'm making this video is just to let you all know that going forward, I'll make it a point that you get updates on all the projects which I used to do earlier, and request you to reach out to us if you have any more questions regarding our project. Today's video that I'm going to make is regarding Prestige Clairemont, which is a project that we have in Neopolis. There are a lot of videos which talk about Neopolis, and I in fact have made videos which talk about the project. So this as a project, I would say, is shaping up very nicely, and this video that I'm going to make would showcase the construction progress. Second thing is, I would like to inform you all that we are ready with our model flats. This in fact is one of them, and I'm going to just show a small glimpse of the model flats in the marketing office, so that when you come here you get an idea about where the location is and how the marketing office is. So when you come here, we will help you understand everything about the project. So for now, I would request you to reach out to us if you have any more questions, and I hope you like this video. And going forward, I assure you, I will cover all the projects in Hyderabad and keep you updated on all the construction updates and details about the new projects. Thank you so much, and I love all the support that I get from you all. Stay tuned, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye.